Okay, so I'm up in New Jersey for like Thanksgiving or something because all my family lives up there. My dad and my uncle are going to run to the liquor store, right? At this point, I'm about between like 4 and 6, maybe. I guess I just didn't know what liquor was, and so I thought they were saying we're going to the liquor store, right?
The licorice store?
And for the life of me, I could not understand why they weren't taking me to the liquor store. And I begged and I begged and I begged, and they still wouldn't let me go. That's one of my earliest memories, is me bawling my eyes out in my grandparents' driveway because my dad and my uncle wouldn't let me go to the liquor store. What year is it?
You can put it somewhere, so if it falls over, it's your fault.
I'll just give it to Justin when he turns around, so it's his fault. Oh, yeah.
Troy? No.
Yes.
Say something cool.
I don't look at explosions.
Smoke weed every day.
Nice. That was good. Hello.
Does this place have a bathroom? Yes. You know? Yes.
It's just this story, it's not a story.
Dude, I don't have any stories.
Yeah? Because you have no life.
Oh,
Shit.
It happens.
Oh no, all my things.
My knickknacks and gadgets.
This is really cool.
This is a nice neighborhood. What's up, nerd?
Hey, what's up?
Hey,
Hey, I'm John.
Hey, what's up?
David.
Hey.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Troy.
Troy.
Justin.
Justin.
This is
Hey,
Sam.
man. Yeah.
Sam.
Sam. Hey. You guys will be playing right in here.
Okay. Nice.
So we're here in Baltimore.
Are we?
We are.
Like for real?
Look, here it is. It's all
Look up there. There's
it is.
Baltimore.
We're playing in a living room. This is the first full band living room show.
We usually get basements
basements
or roofs,
roofs. This
bedrooms.
I think yeah.
Played a couple bedrooms,
this will be-
bathrooms.
We recorded in bathrooms. I don't know if we've played shows in bathrooms. Hey yo, plates,
What?
plates,
What?
Plates, dude.
plates,
Plates.
plates.
You lost me.
Hey,
Plates.
plates.
Hey.
What's up?
What?
Plates.
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 What's the meaning behind it, so I know?
This is the first time I'm hearing this, so
Can I know why?
He just joined in. He just joined in.
Troy, tell us a story.
Plates.
When you eat cereal, what container do you like to use?
Dude, I use plates.
What the fuck?
Plates.
Plates.
What?
Plates.
One more time?
Plates.
Hello?
Plates.
An officer pulls you over and it's like, dude, like, where are your rear plates?
Plates.
We played a show a few months ago with a band out of there called Sea Knuckle.
Sea Knuckle?
Yeah.
I've seen their stickers.
Yeah.
Yeah. One of our friends.
He already brought up ghosts. And I didn't.
This is how I keep my guitar straight.
So we're having like a general inspection.
restaurant means you're fancy. You're dining out in like
Really?
a fancy restaurant.
This is like you're dining in, dude.
Or you can do finger guns.
Or you can.
pew pew.
Oh,
Hello.
hello.
It's excellent to see you. You're looking very nice today. You specifically, you know who you are.
You look excellent today.
So our battery died again,
Because we're irresponsible.
but that's why you love us.
The show was pretty sick. We played in a living room in Baltimore, also known as the Hippo Hut.
It's called Hippo because they have this ridiculously cute puppy
It's
named
a
Hippo.
pit bull named Hippo.
Shout out to Alec from Super Moon Records. He was dancing the whole time, which is something that we really appreciate. He was on tour with Agree to Disagree, who the guys who set up the show for us. They're really cool guys. But
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like
comment.
and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit.